In this video, I'll show you how to download the Bitget app on iOS and get it ready to use on your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Search tab. In the search bar at the top, type Bitget and tap Search to see the results. Now, look carefully for the official Bitget app. Check the app name, logo, and developer so you don't download a fake or similar app. Once you're sure it's the right one, tap the Get button or the cloud download icon on the right side. If your iPhone asks for it, confirm the download with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. The app will start installing, and you'll see the Bitget icon appear on your home screen. When the download is complete, tap Open in the App Store, or tap the Bitget icon on your home screen. On the first launch, choose whether to allow notifications. And then you can either log in with an existing account or tap Sign Up to create a new one. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.